A massive wildfire emergency has erupted in eastern Washington, where fast-moving flames have forced nearly 60,000 people to evacuate around Spokane. Authorities say at least 600 homes, businesses, and other structures have been destroyed as fires continue to spread unchecked. Thick smoke, towering flames, and devastated neighborhoods reveal the scale of the unfolding disaster. The wildfires have scorched more than 8.2 square miles around Spokane, while nearly 390 square miles have burned across Washington state. Officials say no deaths have been reported so far, but thousands remain displaced, including patients evacuated from the Veterans Affairs Hospital. Dry weather is expected to worsen conditions.
We now know that there are thousands of Washingtonians in Spokane area that had to be evacuated. We know there are hundreds of homes that have been destroyed. We know that we need continued help and support from everybody from weather forecasters to people just helping families know what's going to happen next. And so we just ask Washingtonians, who we say our greatest empathy to you and your families who've been displaced. There are some up here with us who have been evacuated. There are some that have lost their homes. So we are with you in this situation, and we're going to do everything we can to get the federal resources to help you. I talked to the U.S. Chief Forester, Chief Schultz, who basically said, this is the most risked and resourced fire in the United States today. It is the top fire in our nation. That means they are going to give us the resources that we need here on the ground.
Firefighting crews and helicopters continue battling multiple blazes that remain uncontained as federal support pours into Washington. Governor Bob Ferguson said he briefed President Trump on the worsening crisis, while also stressing that thousands of residents have lost everything within just a matter of hours.
About half an hour ago, I had a conversation with President Trump. I spoke about how dire the situation is. He expressed his support for the people going through this and offered federal assistance. There are just so many Washingtonians who have literally lost everything in a very, very short period of time. We want all those individuals to know that we are all here for the long haul.
Investigators are still working to determine what sparked the wildfires as emergency crews race to contain the flames before conditions deteriorate further. With dry weather forecast to persist, officials warn the threat is far from over. For thousands forced from their homes, the focus now shifts from evacuation to recovery as Washington braces for more challenging days ahead.